Hello, my dear students. Hope you are doing well. As you all know that for the first time, our school is conducting Unified Cyber Olympiad and this is an instruction video for the same. Hope this video will help you to have a clear idea about the examination. So let us see what we are going to discuss in this video. So this video will highlight the following topics: the exam pattern, followed by division of marks and time allotted, the syllabus of the exam venue, the date of exam, the requirements for the exam, things to avoid in the exam, and finally, how to fill up the OMR answer script. So let's proceed to the first topic, which is exam pattern. The medium of the test will be English. There will be a different question paper for each and every class. That means for every class you will get a different question. Here in this exam, all the questions are of objective type with no negative marking for wrong answers. So you can answer all the questions, whether you know the answer properly or not, you can attempt all the questions. The number of questions will be 50 and each question will carry 1 mark and the duration is 1 mark. Let us see the division of marks. For mental ability section, you'll have 15 questions and you'll be allotted 15 marks. For reasoning section, there will be 15 questions, and in computers, you'll have 15 marks, and in English, you'll have 5 questions of 1 mark each. So the total will be 50 marks, and as I have already said that the time allotted will be 1 hour. Now let us see the syllabus of this exam. Unified Cyber Olympiad question papers are more class specific than syllabus specific. No matter whether a CBSE or ICSE or ISC or state board student, there is no problem with that. Your questions will be based on your textbook. Now let us see the exam venue. The exam venue will be always your school. And the exam date, as I have already told you, it will be 19th of October 2022. So on the day of examination, you should not forget to bring all this I'm discussing. First one is your hall ticket. You will be allotted a hall ticket. Every participant should bring the hall ticket on the date of exam. Followed by a pencil. Because it is a OMR based examination, you must mark the question answers with pencil first so that if there is a doubt, you can erase and modify. For this, you also need an eraser, followed by a black ball pen for darkening the circles or ovals, or a sketch pen for doing this. So you must bring these 5 things at the day of examination. Now let us go to the next step. This step tells you what you should not do in the examination. Remember, your examination is going to be a OMR based examination. So in the answer script, you have to mark your answers by filling circles or oval shapes. Apart from this, you should not write anything on the answer script. So do not do any kind of rough work on the answer script. That means apart from the answer, there should be nothing written on the answer script. Now the next thing to remember is every question has only one correct answer. So, do not mark multiple answers on the OMR sheet. That means, for a particular question, you should not mark 2 or 3 circles or ovals. As because your copy is going to be evaluated by machines, you must fill the circles or ovals completely. Darken with your ball pen or the sketch pen. And it should be completely done. Don't leave them incomplete. The fourth thing to remember is don't put any stray marks on your answer script. That means wherever you have to encircle or fill, you have to do it exactly in that position. The last thing to remember is don't fold the answer script. You must not fold your answer script. Hope you have understood. Let us move to the next step about how to fill up the OMR sheet. This is a sample OMR sheet where you have to first fill hall ticket number. So this is the place where you are going to fill. So suppose your hall ticket number is 2581B456. So you have to write the hall ticket number like this. And then you must fill corresponding boxes beneath each number. So for 2, we have to fill this box labeled with the number 2. So let us see how you can do this. For the first number 2, you have to fill it like this. For the next one, you should fill 5 like this. And likewise, you have to fill 8, then 1, then B, followed by 4, then 5, and finally the number 6. So this is how you can fill the hall ticket. The next thing is to see the question and mark the corresponding answer in this OMR sheet. So suppose for the first question, which is question number 1, the answer is A. So you must completely fill this A with black ball pen or sketch pen. If you're unsure about the question, don't initially mark it with black ball pen or sketch pen. Otherwise, you cannot erase and put a dot, and later on you can fill it. Likewise, you have to answer all the questions by marking the ovals or circles that are against the question number. So suppose for the second question, the answer is D. You have to mark D like this. Hope you have understood how to fill up the answer in the OMR script. Let us move to the next step, which is filling up some important information. You have to fill up your school registration code or center number, which will be UCO 5103. Again, you have to fill your hall ticket number like this. And then you have to fill the box against your class. So suppose you are a student of class 4, so you must fill the square like this. And you have to write your name in the student name section. Remember, instructions are given in your OMR sheet. It may be at the back of your OMR sheet. You can read them anytime you want. Okay. So all the important instructions that are required to appear in this exam are discussed. Hope this will make your life a little bit easier in the exam hall. Wait for my next video in which I'll be discussing some questions on Cyber Olympiads. So till then, bye bye. Have a nice day.